Regarding the sprint, last week I gave you a model of how you could go around organizing your presentation, and it entailed using individual slides for the individual pieces of your sprint. I went in and evaluated your work, and I noticed that many of you had incorporated information about the three types, for example, of technologies for any one theme in the same slide, and that is fine. Another way you can do it is, for example, you have a slide where you talk about the examples and you say what the example is with the definition or a video if you choose to do that. And then for each of the technologies, you talk about the classroom applications. So again, in the same slide, you talk about the three technologies providing classroom applications. What I do want to make sure is that you have three technologies, that for each technology you describe it using either a video, a definition, or an image, and that for each technology you discuss at least one classroom application that you could incorporate in your own classroom. So those three pieces are crucial for you to have in your sprint so that you get full credit. You're going to have 12 different technologies when all is said and done, and for each technology you have to have a description, which could be a definition, a video demonstrating it, or an image illustrating it, and then a classroom application. So when you go in and comment on your classmates, I've noticed that you have been very cheerful, but I want you to remind your classmates, did you include at least three technologies for this session? Make sure that you really provide useful feedback for your classmates by asking whether they did fulfill the requirements for the sprint. Then, did the classmate provide an example of the technology or a link to a video demonstrating each technology? So just mentioning the technology is not enough. You have to define it or use a video to demonstrate it. And last but not least, did the classmate describe a classroom learning applications of each technology? Saying what the technology is not enough. You also have to describe one classroom learning application of each technology, basically because this is a collection that should be helpful for yourself when all is said and done in this course. So everything is looking good, and I am looking forward to seeing more of your work.